Mr. Pickles is one of the dumbest shows ever. Let me give you reasons why it sucks. First off, the artwork looks like a 2005 Newgrounds Flash cartoon. Second, Mr. Pickles engages in extremely violent behavior and even does blood orgies with other animals and people dead or alive. Third, most of the character designs are incredibly grotesque, uncanny, and ugly at the same, especially on the old people, and it looks like something out of a Meat Canyon video, which is made somewhat worse by the detailed animation. Fourth, the jokes are either very perverted or very stupid. Fifth, the voice acting is dull for the most part with actors giving very little emotion. Sixth, the theme song can get ear bleeding, likely because it's just some loud and generic heavy metal music. Seventh, there are many episodes with incredibly horrifying and disturbing content, even for the standards of an adult show, such as The Cheese Man, ADD, and Brain Download. And those are the reasons why I hate this show. I prefer Popeyes than this. Anyways, end of rant.